Hey everyone, welcome to the Weller channel. Today I'll show you how to separate game audio from your microphone audio in OBS, kind of like what I have set up. So right here I have the output audio stream capture, which means I can add it by clicking the plus button here and adding the output audio stream. Now it covers my entire desktop, but you'll need it to play some game. I click OK. Then you select your dynamics here and click OK. This mixer will handle all the sound coming from your computer, not from the microphone. There you go. So now when you're playing, you can use this slider to lower the game volume. There you go. Oh, almost forgot. For stream or recording, you'll need to set up 2 audio tracks in the settings. Go to Output and select 2 audio tracks here. I can't select the audio tracks right now since a recording is running, but you select 2 tracks here, and they'll be separated during editing. That's all for now. This was Weller. Like and subscribe to the channel. See you.